Sometimes waiting until the laundry is done can be annoying, especially when you have many different loads to wash. Not anymore. Speed Perfect helps you to reduce the time for your wash and therefore adjusts to your different laundry needs. If you need to wash different washing loads in a short time, simply choose the Speed Perfect option in combination with the most suitable program for your load, and you will get all your washing perfectly clean in up to 65% less time, all without compromising any cleaning results. Simply select the program you want to use and then press the Speed Perfect button to significantly reduce the wash time. And even if you urgently need your children's football kits for school, you can get up to 4 kilograms of mixed load perfectly washed in just 41 minutes. And this is how it works. Speed Perfect increases the intensity and speed of the wash to save time whenever you need it. Wash your laundry in up to 65% less time without compromising results. This is Speed Perfect. Always perfect results, even if you need it fast. Bosch, invented for life.